Hey everybody, who's hungry? Because today we're going to be making some sizzling shrimp and roasted green beans that are going to knock your socks off. Hey everybody, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia during the COVID-19 quarantine, and I know that our entire state has now gone under shelter in place, so I hope you all are staying well and safe at home, only going out for essential jobs and grocery shopping. Or you could do what I do, which is I order HelloFresh to deliver my meals to me each week. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a HelloFresh meal that is their sizzling shrimp and green beans. And I'm really excited about it. So you're going to need a couple of things to make this. You're going to need your HelloFresh food bag and then the shrimp that they give you along with the meal. And then you're going to have your instructions from HelloFresh on how to make it. You're going to need a pan to roast your green beans, a large skillet that we already have back there, and a cutting board so you can prep your items. So let's get started. First, we want to open up our HelloFresh bag here and pour out the ingredients. So the great thing about HelloFresh, it gives me everything that I need for this meal. So, and exactly the quantity amounts that I need. I get to choose between 15 to 20 meals each week, and with each one of those meals I don't have to think about the ingredients. I don't have to think about my shopping list. All I have to say is, yeah, shrimp and green beans sounds delicious. You just want to slice those into circles and then chop them and dice them just a little bit further so they're very small. Great. All right, so how you want to cut garlic is you want to cut off both sides of the garlic, and then you want to make it where the curved side is facing up, and you want to lay your knife flat on top of it and take the palm and hit the top of the knife, and that bust open the garlic, and then from there you want to chop it even further. Ooh, that garlic is strong. All right, and then lastly we just want to peel the ginger so that all that excess outside peeling is pulled off. And then you just want to chop this ginger into little slices as well. This shrimp is going to be delicious. I cannot wait to eat it. All right, awesome. So now that we've finished chopping up our ginger, we have our garlic, we have our scallions, and we have our lime. Now what we want to do is prep our shrimp. So what you want to do is you want to take the shrimp that came in your HelloFresh packet out of the package, rinse it off, and then pat the shrimp dry and then put it into a mixing bowl. So once you've added the shrimp to your bowl and it's patted dry, you want to add the garlic to your shrimp, and then you want to add the ginger to your shrimp. Oh, this shrimp is going to have such a great flavor to it. And then now what you want to do is you want to take this Hoisin sauce, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then you want to add the whole packet to your shrimp. So what I love is this shrimp is going to be bursting with flavor now. It's going to make all of your friends want to come over and have dinner at your place every night. And what you want to do is you want to take your salt and your pepper and put that in the bowl with the shrimp as well. And then you want to mix it up so that every bit of shrimp gets some of this delicious sauce and gets the garlic and gets the ginger on it. What you want to do is you want to let this sit and marinate for 5 minutes so that all the flavor can just soak right in to the shrimp. So you want to let that set, and in the meantime what we're going to do is we're going to prep the green beans. So you want to pull out your cooking tray and you want to take the green beans out of the bag. So then what you want to do is you want to pour these green beans out onto the tray so they're evenly dispersed and not touching each other. Great, okay, so now once you have them all dispersed out on the cooking sheet, what you wanna do is you wanna take some olive oil and you wanna drizzle that over the green beans. Just zigzagging back and forth to make sure that the whole tray gets covered, like so. And then what you wanna do is you wanna take your salt and pepper again, and you just wanna shake that over the green beans to give them some nice flavoring. So what I've done is I've set my oven to 425 degrees and the oven is now ready. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna let them start cooking. Now that we've added the green beans to the oven, I've set the timer for 15 minutes. So now while those are cooking, let's get back to these shrimp. So we've let these marinate for 5 minutes and they are looking really juicy. So what we want to do next is we want to take some olive oil, drizzle it in a pan on the stove, cook these under medium heat and until they're cooked through, which will be about 4 minutes. So let's take these over to the stove and start cooking them up. Okay guys, these are now done. Our meal is coming together. Our shrimp are ready, our green beans are ready. Look at those. Don't you just love the color of them? So now that these are cooling off, let's grab the green beans out of the oven. Oh man, look at those guys. Green beans and shrimp. Those are two delicious combinations right there. Now remember, all that we put on these were olive oil and salt and pepper, and they have just turned out so good. Now we're ready to prep our plate. So what we want to do is we want to take a nice dinner plate and a serving spoon. We want to pour some shrimp onto one side of the plate. Now you want to take some tongs and grab some green beans. And make sure your green beans are facing the same direction when you put them on the plate. That just adds to the presentation, like so. So remember the scallions that we cut up earlier? Now it is time to use them. So you want to take the chopped up scallions that you chopped up and you want to sprinkle those on top of the shrimp. Also included in your HelloFresh packet is some sesame seeds, which are really great. I love garnishing plates with sesame seeds because they're just cute on top of a plate. If I'm being completely honest, they just look cute and they add a little bit of pizzazz. And every meal deserves some pizzazz. And then you're done. You are ready to go. And that meal didn't take long at all. Between prepping and cooking, it was about 35 minutes total. This is a really quick and easy meal to make. And as you can see, I have leftovers, which is great because now I'm gonna stow this away, put it in the fridge, and maybe have it for lunch tomorrow. So I hope you guys learned a lot and it inspired you to get in your own kitchen and start cooking and having fun with your family or by yourself. But now the true test for these shrimp is the taste test. So let's see how they taste. They are so tender, and that ginger and garlic mix gives like the perfect blend between sweet and a little bit of a kick, you know? That is delicious. Let's see how the green beans taste. You know, these green beans are the perfect example of how you don't need a lot on something to give it great flavor. Because these just have olive oil, salt, and pepper, and some sesame seeds on top. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and let's eat up. Have a good one, y'all.